you're going to be color coding. What are you going to be doing? Color coding, okay? So I count my ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, and I'm using the wrong color. Ms. Morales is using the wrong color. Sorry, boys and girls. Okay, I count my ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write 5 right there. 5. Now I count my groups of 10. Okay. It would be 1. So this is one group of 10. Now this is my other group of 10 right there. Okay. So that's my 10s. That's my ones. Okay. This is like when we are writing the O for ones and the T for tens on our T chart. Okay. So how many groups of 10 do I have? 2. So I write 2 groups of 10 because this is 1, 2. I have 2 groups of 10. Now how many ones do I have? 5. Okay. So then what is my number to write inside the teddy bear? 25. Okay. 10 right here, and then my 5 ones right there. Okay. And all together I have 25. You're going to be doing the same in the ladybugs. Okay. You're going to count how many ones. You count your ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you count your ones. 9. Now you count your groups of 10. That's 10. Another group of 10. Another group of 10. Another group of 10. Another group of 10. And another group of 10. Okay, so I have what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But am I supposed to write 60 here? Do I write it like that? No. Okay, remember, in the tens, you're just writing how many groups. Okay, how many groups of 10 do we have? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 groups of 10. So I only write 6. Okay, I'm not writing the number sentence. I only write 6. Now, how many ones do I have? 9. So now if I put it all together on the ladybug, what am I going to write? 69. And what did Ms. Morales forget to do right here with the tens and the ones on the T chart? I forgot to what? Color code. Okay. So my ones are my yellows and my tens are my reds. Okay, remember to color code. Okay. Now on the bottom of the page, right here, you're going to be adding 10. So if you have 15, the next one, you're adding 10. You're just making it Let me get my pencil. Okay, 25. Now 25 plus 10 more, it would be 35. All that you would be changing when you're counting by tens, it would be the number that's in the tens place. You see how the pattern there? I have 1, then 2, then 3, then my next number here would be what? 4, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 stays the same. Right there. So all that we are changing is the digit of the tens. Okay. Here on the dragon, you are counting by fives, like we would do in the morning, okay? So it's 5, the next one would be 10, 15, 20, 25. So you're skip counting by fives, like when we would practice skip counting by tens. Here, okay, we're going to be taking away groups of 10. What are we taking away? Groups of 10. Okay, so you have would be 10. Another group of 10, another group of 10, another group of 10, another group. Okay, so we have groups of 10 that we are going to be taking away. And remember when Ms. Morales said you could draw the rod or you could make a stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 groups of 10. But look, we are writing it in a number sentence. So would I only write 9? Is that correct? No. When it's a number sentence, I need to add the 0. So it would be 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, we have 90. Now, how many groups of 10 am I taking out? How many groups of 10 am I subtracting? It's 3 groups of 10. Okay, so do I write only 3? No, because it's the number sentence. I need to add my 0. Okay, and now how many do I have left? How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I only write 6? No, I add the 0 because it's a number sentence. Okay, so remember, when you're writing the number sentences, you have to add the 0 to your groups of 10. So put them in Class Dojo for you. That way, if you need to go back, you can see them there. Okay, now let's go to the next. Here on this page of the boys and the girls, this one right here, okay, you're going to do it like the other ones that we did. Find this page. It's addition. Now we're going to put our groups of 10 together. Okay, so we have right here, we have 10, 10, another group of 10, another group of 10. Right there, we have our groups of 10, okay? So now remember, okay, this is my yellow group to color code. That's my red part and my yellow part, okay? So right here in my red part, how many groups of 10 do I have? 1, 2. Do I only write 2? No. I need to add the what? I need to add the 0. Okay. Now right here, how many groups do I have? Let me change the color. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I have 4 groups of 10, but do I write it like that? No. What is Miss Morales missing, Angel? I need to add the what? 0. Okay. So now I have 20 plus 40 equals, and I have to write how many. So I count right here by tens. Okay, you're going to be counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So how many do I have all together? 60. So 20 plus 40 equals 60. They're giving us the same numbers, but this is the way you're going to do it. That way it's easier for you. Okay, so let's pay attention right here. Okay. How many groups of 1 do I have here? 1. So I make my group of 10 there. Okay. How many groups of 10 do I have here? 4. So I make 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10. Okay. If you want, you could make your little rod. Okay. That way you can see your groups of 10. Now you're going to be counting by tens. That's one group, another group. Okay. So we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So how many all together? 50. So you have to draw your groups of 10 on the top of each of them. Okay, draw your groups of 10. Okay, if you need to draw your drawing, that will help you understand the problem. Okay. So right here on the next one, okay, how many groups of 10 do I have here? 3. Okay, so I draw one group of 10, my other group of 10, and my other group of 10. So I have 3 groups of 10 there. How many groups of 10 do I have here? Azul, how many groups of 10 do I have there? Okay, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I write my tens. Okay, that's one group of 10, my other group of 10. Let me pick a different color, that way we can see them. Okay, so I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So remember, underline your groups of 10 and draw your picture on top of the number, your little sticks like 10 rods are groups of fives. So we put two groups of 5 together, we have a group of 10. Okay, so look, right here I have, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and one more right there. So what I'm gonna do is put two groups of 5 together to make 10. So if I put these two groups together, that's one group of 10. If I put these two groups together, that's another group of 10. Can I have another group of 10 right here? No, because how many do I have left? A group of 5, and then one more makes 6. Okay, so then this right here, I would write 10 and 10. So how many groups of 10 do I have? And let me color code my T chart. Okay, how many groups of 10 do I have? 2. But can I only write 2? What is Ms. Morales missing? 2, because I have two groups of 10. Now how many ones? This is my group of 5 right there. So that's 5 and one more, it's 6 ones. Okay, so I have two groups of 10 and 6 ones. Okay, now to write my number in the beginning over here, then I'm going to write 26 because I have 10, 20, 25, 26. We'll be sending the pictures, okay, in Class Dojo of the examples that we did. That way you can finish your math homework for homework.